So, what are we going out to do today?
We're going to test out our equipment, check the ice, and get ready for ice fishing season.
Woohoo! Although it doesn't look like it when you look outside.
Yeah, I know.
It's
going to be a warm day too, but
yeah.
at least. Okay, my wife put this video together. We're just taking a quick run to see what the ice is like. We didn't bring our tents, and unfortunately, I did bring some of the equipment, but I forgot the proper SD cards for recording. Oh well. And we'll be going out Monday, so hopefully it'll be better because we'll bring the rest of the equipment. And it was a very bright day, 10 degrees Celsius. Would you believe?
First hole.
Clean that out and look at the camera.
I've got 8.5, 9. Yeah, between 8.5 and 9 inches. Yep, good and solid.
How much is it? I see 2 fish.
Yep.
I see 2 fish.
Down at the bottom.
No, they're 15 feet.
Okay. I'm at 15, so let's see if I can.
Okay. I think that's he's a keeper too.
Yeah, he's a nice meal size.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
First one of the year.
Yeah.
Woo!
All sorts of fish.
was our first day out.
You got 8?
You got 4, I got 4.
Yeah. Total 8.
Yeah. We're allowed 5 each. And then we're gonna have wonderful trout for supper. Look how gorgeous this day is. Absolutely gorgeous. And the ice is like, is that a good 8 inches? Yeah, it was between 8 and 9. A little slushy on the top now because it's a warm day. So.
Knock an inch off that.
Yeah. Beautiful day. And where's your lure? Yeah, that's it there.
Okay, it looks like the lakes are going to be okay for ice fishing. I wouldn't drive on it. So Monday there, we'll bring all our equipment. I did a firmware update on my other equipment, and as a result, my settings had to be restored, which I'll do for Monday. And anyways, give you an idea. Have a nice day.